Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. Markets. Today we are here to discuss about new IPO into the market. We have initial public offering from the company Inno Metal Stars Corporation. It is coming under the name of Inno Holdings Inc. The IPO price is $4. It is offering a shares of 2.5 million and the deal size or the amount it's trying to raise from the market is $10 million. Coming to the company profile, company is incorporated in United States, Texas in the year 2019. It is under the industry of building materials. Let's look at the business of Inno Holdings Incorporation. Inno Holdings is an innovative building technology company with a mission to transform the construction industry with their proprietary cold formed steel framing technology and other building innovatives. The company recognized the inherent inefficiency and waste in traditional lumber-based construction techniques and sought to develop steel-based construction techniques to solve the problems. Inno Holdings takes its name from innovation and is committed to research and development of steel struts, tracks, headers, providing high performance and greater efficiency in all aspects of construction, making better structural solutions for both commercial and residential buildings, resulting in substantial labor cost savings. The company's products are created using combination of intelligent machines and cutting-edge techniques to provide an optimal design solution of framing for engineers, builders, and construction companies. It is currently a manufacturer of cold-formed steel members, and they offer full range of services required to transform raw materials into precise steel framing products and fabricated homes. They sell these finished products either to business or directly to customers. That means they are both into business to customer, B2C and B2B segments. The finished products and cold formed steel members are used in variety of building types, including residential, commercial, industrial, and infrastructure. Inno Holding hope to transform the building industry by reducing construction times while providing more affordable, environmental sustainable, and durable solutions compared to traditional construction materials and methods. Looking at the major details of the company, it would be listing it under NASDAQ capital markets. It is offering Class A common stock, and the number of shares would be 2 million and 500,000 shares. Offering sizes of 10 million, as you already discussed. The price would be the base price would be $4 to $5. The major important point that we have to discuss in an IPO is what is the use of proceeds. What is the what are the expectations? I mean, what would the company use with the amount raised from this IPO? 20% of the amount raised would go to increase the marketing capabilities, 20% would go to increase the production capability, 20% towards research and development, and 40% towards working capital and the general corporate purposes. Let's look at the financial track record of the company. Currently, we are looking at the profit and loss statement for the year 2021 and 2022. For the 2021, the top line growth was 49.9%, which is 50% from 2021 to 2022. Looking at the cost, majorly the raw material cost and the labor, Looks like this has major stake. Uh, Major stake. It is around 60% of the revenue. 66% of the revenue. It is taking around 66% of the revenue, and it has also grown with the revenue. Uh, for the next year, in the 2022, the cost has increased to 64%. So this is commodity sensitive business that we can note. And looking at the bottom line, it is showing a net loss for the year 2021. The net loss is 105k, which is close to 106k. And for the year 2022, the net loss has dramatically increased to 1 million and 130k, which is around 966% increase. Let's move to next year, from the year 2022 to 2023. Uh, Basically, this is a 9 month period. So, looking at the revenues have dramatically decreased from 3.5 million to 5 million, which is a fall of 86%. And the cost of raw materials and labor, okay, this also decreased, but the percentage of cost of raw materials and labor with respect to revenues is very high. It increased a lot. It's more than 60%. And we're looking at the bottom line. We are not looking at the net profits. We are looking at the net losses only. For the year for the year 2022, it was 509k loss, uh, which is of 9 months. Uh, and when we are compared with the same thing with 2023 9 months period, it's showing a loss of 2.8 million. So the parent company, Inno Holdings Inc holds 100% ownership in Inno Trust Corporation, and the Inno Trust Corporation holds 65% ownership in Inno Research Institute LLC. Also, the parent company, Inno Holdings Incorporation, holds 55% ownership in Castor Building Technology LLC. So, looking at the executives and their salary, the chief executive officer for the year 2022 has taken a salary of 80k, and for the year 2023, which is like 9 month period, he has taken a salary of $11,000. And the CFO uh, has taken a salary of $45,000 in the year 2023, and COO and general manager of Inno Metals Trust Corporation, which is a subsidiary. Uh, Here the executive is taking 100k 2022 and 100k in 2023. There is no increase in his salary. Now, looking at the chief financial officer, for 2023, he has taken 104k salary. The opportunity Inno Holdings Incorporation is looking at is there is a 40 billion market in US, out of which 6 billion in 2023 in light gauge steel framing, 25 billion in US traditional wood framing, and 9 billion in US prefab home manufacturing. It is trying to tap this market and find some market share from this traditional wood framing and other type of construction jobs. And moving into the competitive strength and risk factors, competitive strength of this company is majorly the technology innovations and fully integrated manufacturing process. Uh, Raising cost of traditional wood construction favors a transition to steel. These are the major strengths of the company. When it comes to risk factors, so this company has limited operating history and it faces strong competition from traditional wood construction industry, and uh, it has to compete with the wood frame construction, and any fluctuation in price of wood adversely impact the demand of the Inno Holdings Incorporation. Any decrease in availability of or increase in the cost of raw materials, especially the steel that the company is using, any increase in the price of steel would uh, impact the company's earnings. And uh, also the major another major point is the it requires a high skill personnel for the construction process, and it has to retain, attract and retain these highly qualified employees. So the major risk factors are the commodity based. In case of decrease in the price of wood or increase in the price of the steel and availability of uh, construction workers, these are the major three risks that the company is facing. So, uh, if you like this presentation on Inno Holdings Incorporation IPO that is available in the market today for applying, uh, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.